I'm coming in today to show you a fantastic altered book that I've just made. Here it is. It has got 4 signatures hand sewn in, and I've used handmade papers, sort of tea stained papers, and printed papers, so you'll see what I mean. And I've used this fantastic, look at this cover, it's all this beautiful, it's leather, I think it's leather or leatherette, I think it's leather though, very fine, and it's tooled and embossed. And on the spine I took away the title and I put this in. Oh, it's having trouble focusing on that. There we are. Oh, it's there you go. Beautiful silvery filigree sticker on there. That's the original, and then there's another one there. See, I thought it went really beautifully. And I also found this fantastic closure which is elasticated, and take that off. So oops, I'll try and stay in the frame. Here we go. So it's got printed papers, Ecoprinted papers. I don't know if you can see the leaves on there. Beautiful. And tea stained. And then it's got, this is watercolour paper. And this takes ink very well. You can write on this, and this does as well. I've tested it. So I had great fun making these handmade papers to go in amongst these printed papers. And so you've ended up with this journal. It's one of a kind, and in the centre of the signature I have put in a tea stained postcard with paper on the back, because I had that on the back. So now you've got a bit of note paper on there. You can use this any way you want. You can keep whatever you want in there. So as I say, it's highly original for somebody who likes to journal and art journal. Bit of everything in here. Pages and pages. So we're on to the next signature now. We've got a whale. I love whales. Bumblebees. More watercolour paper, good quality. And insects. Another one in the middle. Got a postcard. The same again on the back. Journaling spot. Ammonite. Lots and lots of different things in here. Another bit of a whale. So I'm hoping this will be a delight to journal in. You can use it for journaling a diary or keeping notes, keeping memories, writing poetry out. Be lovely for that. Another one. Again. Oops, that's like that. And like I said, they've all been sewn in by me. This is the 4th one. I'm going quite quickly now, but sort of like this. Another one. And these pockets are in the centre of the signatures, which is really good because it hides the knots and things, makes it look really neat. And that's like a microscope. paper, eco-printed paper, and there you are. And then at the very back I've made a little fold out envelope which has got a vintage postcard here, blank. You could use that yourself, you could journal on it. That goes back in. That's me. And that folds over like that. And there it is. It's a lovely size for journaling, and I think somebody who loves to journal will just love this book. It would make a fantastic present because it really is unique, and I hope somebody gets a lot of enjoyment from this. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll be making more journals like this. And if you have ideas for journals or a particular person in mind, I can hunt down appropriate vintage books and turn them into journals for you, and that really is unique, you know, very personalized. So yeah, get in touch and keep watching, and go visit my Etsy shop, which is where you can buy this, and I'll put the link for that in the comments below. So thanks for watching. Bye.